Spirituality is not meant to be complicated. On the contrary, it's supposed to be simple. Having spiritual self-care is necessary as part of your human experience, because eventually you are a soul having a human experience. In Lifescripting, I'm here to help you understand how you can take care of your energy, how you can take care of your spiritual practices so that you're able to manifest, you're able to release the blocks that you have, you're able to move forward with past disappointments. Spiritual practices are part of life. Having them to be simple, to the point, and practical that you can use in your day-to-day life is what I'm meant to teach you in this workshop. Join me on a spiritual self-care practice, and I'm going to be giving you all the fundamentals.